Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today I am sharing some new handbags from Teddy Blake. I am so excited to share them with you because prior to this, I've pretty much stuck with one design. So earlier this year, I shared an unboxing and review of the Ava 9-inch handbag from Teddy Blake. So if you are looking for a full review of the brand as well as the Ava handbag, you can check out that video right here. I will also leave links in the description for that video as well as my blog post, which answers pretty much any question that you may have about Teddy Blake. So I have two handbags that I have never seen in person before and it's my first time kind of going away from the Ava. So I really love the Ava handbag. I feel like it should be renamed the Lizzie handbag because I have three of them. I have it in pink, in blue, and in lilac, so all of the pretty pastel shades. And I also have two other handbags from Teddy Blake that have been discontinued. I think the name is the Maya, but they don't have it anymore. But it looks very similar to the Ava. It just has a little bow on it and it is slightly larger. So I'm petite. I am 4'11", so I find that the smaller handbags tend to fit my frame better, so I usually stick with 9-inch. Today I'm going to share the Kim and the Sophia. I'm gonna share my honest thoughts, first impressions, and just an overall review of both handbags. So let's go ahead and get right into it. So I'm not gonna go too in-depth about Teddy Blake because I did that in my previous video and in my blog post, but if you are unfamiliar with Teddy Blake, they are a luxury handbag brand that creates gorgeous luxury designs at a more affordable price point. And when you get your handbag, it arrives in a giant box, and I mean huge. It's pretty much as big as I am. I think that's a really nice touch and it makes it feel super special. The first handbag I'm going to share is the Kim 9-inch Croco in pink. Oh my goodness, this handbag is so pretty. So I have a lot of neutral handbags and I've been wanting the Kim handbag for a really long time, and I almost got a neutral, like a cream color or a tan, but I already have a lot of neutral handbags, so I figured I might as well just stick with the tradition and get a colorful Teddy Blake because all of my other ones are full of color. So this one is really beautiful. It's a really gorgeous mauve-y pink color, and I feel like this is the perfect shade for fall and winter, and even going into spring. I have a lot of creams and pinks, light neutrals and pastels in my wardrobe, so I feel like this is perfect for me. And a lot of people think that it's really similar to the Ava, including myself. So I'll share some slight similarities and differences in a little bit, but let me go ahead and share this handbag. So here's a close-up of the Croco. It is so pretty. So this is embossed leather and it's just absolutely stunning. So all of my other Teddy Blake handbags are made of a smoother leather, and this one is quite different. It has kind of like a glossier finish. I'm not really sure how to describe it, but it's definitely different. Not in a bad way or anything, it's just different. So it has two little buckles right here, and you just turn them like so to open up your handbag. Here's the interior. So this one actually has microfiber. All of my other ones, I believe, have suede. So this one is a little bit different. And on the bottom, it has 4 little gold feet, and it also comes with a crossbody strap. Inside, it just has one little pocket, and there are no pockets on the outside. I really love the shape of the handbag. I feel like it's really classy and elegant and timeless, and it has a bit of a vintage inspired look to it. it's just really, really pretty, and for some reason I have a thing with top handle bags. I just think they're so feminine and beautiful, and out of all of my handbags, I almost always go for a top handle when I'm going out and about. But yeah, this is a really, really beautiful bag, and I'm so excited to style it with all of my fall and winter outfits. For those of you wondering about the differences between the Ava and the Kim, this is for you. So they are pretty much the same size. They're both in the 9-inch, and actually both of these come in different sizes. I know the Ava for sure comes in a smaller size and a larger size, and I know this one comes in a larger size. But yeah, so these are both 9-inch, and they both have buckles. So this one has a smaller buckle, and this one is larger, and this one is a little bit different. So this one has the little turnkey closure, and then this one just has a little flap of leather. The materials are different. So this is the Croco embossed leather, and this is the smoother leather. They both have crossbody straps, and what I really love about the Ava is that it comes with this really cute charm. So it's actually a lock and key. There's a little key in here. The Kim does not come with a charm, but I do think it is really, really beautiful, and to be honest, I don't think it really needs it. And this one also has a pocket on the back, whereas the Kim does not. And lastly, the interior of this one, I believe, is suede, and it has 2 pockets. So it has a zip pocket and then just a normal pocket right there. So that's it. They look very similar, but there's just a few little differences between the two. And here's the second one. So this one is the Sophia Duo Croco 9-inch in pink. This is actually a handbag that I haven't seen a lot of people have, or at least they haven't posted anywhere about it. And I think it's a really classic design, and it's really different from their other handbags, and I love that. So this one comes in a variety of colors. All Teddy Blake handbags come in so many colors, and that's what I love about it. But this one is only in one size, and that is the 9-inch, which is fine for me because, to be honest, I feel like it is the perfect size. So this one is two-tone. It has the Croco embossed leather, and then it is lined with a smoother leather over here. It's really, really pretty. So the color is this gorgeous light pink. It's like a light blush pink, and I feel like it goes with everything. So the other Teddy Blake handbags that I own have the little signature at the bottom that says Teddy Blake, and this one actually just says TB, and it's in this really beautiful gold hardware. So I love that, and I feel like this is the only bag that has that, so that's really nice. And then also the chain, you can make it longer or shorter. Since I'm a shorty, I doubled it up, and I feel like this is perfect for like an over-the-shoulder bag, but you can also make it a crossbody strap as well. So it does have gold-toned hardware, and then it has a little kind of like shoulder strap right here in the same beautiful light pink. Like the Ava, this one also has a magnetic closure. The Kim does not have a magnetic closure. And it has a larger flap, and then inside, this one is also suede, and it's really smooth, and it has a little pocket right here. So it just has the one pocket, and yeah, that's it. So no pockets on the outside, just one inside, but it is pretty roomy inside. So I feel like this would go with anything. It's a little bit more of a dressy purse, in my opinion, with the gold chain and just the overall feel and look of it, but I feel like this would pair well with a lot, and I feel like this one is a classic. It is seasonless. It would work for pretty much any time of the year, and I feel like you could dress it up or dress it down, and it's just really, really pretty, and I love the color so much. Even though this one has the Croco leather material, I feel like the finish is a little bit different than the Kim. So the Kim had more of a glossy look, and this one just has a slight sheen to it. Here's a closer look so you can see what I mean. So the Kim has a glossy shine and the Sophia has a matte sheen. So overall, I really love both handbags. I think the quality is beautiful, and I think that both of these are going to be a welcome addition to my wardrobe. And I really love this gorgeous mauve pink color and the overall look of the Kim. And I love the classic light pink color and feminine design of the Sophia. I think both of them are absolutely stunning. I would love to know which one you love. Do you prefer the Kim or the Sophia? Also, have you tried Teddy Blake before? Let me know in a comment below. I would love to hear your thoughts. Also, I want to share that long term, I've had really good luck with my Teddy Blake handbags. I got my first one many years ago. I noted it in my first video actually, but they still look brand new. Of course, I take really good care of them and I make sure they're clean and I condition the leather, but they look amazing and I get so many compliments on them. So if you're wondering how they are long term, I would say that they hold up really well and that you have nothing to lose. I think they also have like a try before you buy type of thing, so you can look into that as well. And I also have a coupon code for you below if you want to check out their website, if you are shopping for gifts or if you are looking for some beautiful handbags for the fall and winter or even holiday seasons. So feel free to check that out below in the description box. And as always, if you want to see even more girly, pretty pink content, make sure you check out my blog, LIZZIEINLACE.com. I post on there Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I also have all kinds of gift guides going up right now. So be sure to be on the lookout for that if you are shopping for anyone this season. And don't forget to follow me on my Pretty Pink Instagram for all kinds of feminine outfit inspiration. My handle on there is @LIZZIEINLACE. I'll see you next time. Bye!